Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS shining button. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS shining button. Inside the body, we want to add a div and inside this span and we want to type button. Save the file, refresh, the button is visible now. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file, refresh, the margin is okay now. Let's start to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center and height 100 VH with 100% and we want that background color that was #262626FF. Save the file, refresh, the background color is okay now. Let's start to style our div. Display flex, justify content center, align item center and position is relative and we want at height 100 pixel width 300 pixel and font size is 50 pixel, font weight is bold, font family cursive and font color is white and we want at border radius that was 50 pixel and background linear gradient 45 degree and #B200FFFF and deep pink purple and we want at box shadow that was 1 pixel 60 pixel and color is purple, cursor pointer and we want at overflow that was hidden. Save the file, refresh, the buttons layout is okay now. Let's start to style our span. Inside this, display block and position is absolute, height 100 pixel and width 50 pixel, right 100% and we want to add background color RGBA 255 and this is 0.4. Let's start to create our div hover span. Inside this we want to add an animation shine 0.7 second linear and start to create our animation keyframes and animation name shine. Inside this 0%, left 10% and we want add transform skew 10 degree and copy this 0% and paste it 3 times and this is 50%, 100 and 75, this is right and this is 100% right and this is 100%. Save the file, refresh, the shining effect is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.